In a flash, that is just gone. I spoke to someone who's at the border today where all that trade takes place, a food writer and photographer named Austin Bush, and he told me what things were like when he went to visit a sprawling market that lines the border.
It's usually a really busy area, but today it's just absolutely dead. There's a handful of shops open. The border is closed, so there's not the usual queues to cross the border, and it just feels dead.
And so on top of that, Carolyn, it's actually worse than that. Thailand is not letting foreigners who come to Thailand travel to Cambodia. So people come to Thailand and they think, oh, let me tack on a day trip to Cambodia to see the Angkor Wat Temple, one of the wonders of Southeast Asia. That's blocked too. So this will really hurt the economy of Cambodia.
So this is rooted in a dispute over contested territory. How long has that dispute been going on, and why this escalation now, Patrick?
If you really want to go back to 1906 or 1907, when the border was poorly demarcated by France and the Kingdom of Siam. So it goes back really, really deep. The heart of this conflict today is that there are small pieces of land, like I said, on a poorly drawn border. Both sides claim them. It's not strategically important land. It's mostly jungle, but both sides have their troops staring down at each other. Neither side can back down because to give up any land is politically disastrous. So when Thailand's Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra gave a speech justifying this decision to close the border, she actually said something interesting and unexpected.
เราต้องระงับส่งออกสินค้าที่เกื้อหนุนนะคะต่อกิจกรรมของกลุ่มอาชญากรรมข้ามชาติ
So the Prime Minister is saying, we actually had to do this to make sure criminal groups in Cambodia don't get the supplies they need to operate. A bit out of left field. In Cambodia, this is true, across the Thai border, there are organized crime syndicates operating scam compounds, these underground call centers that contact people from Asia to Europe to America, trying to con them out of money. Yes, this is a real thing, but to become suddenly very concerned about this now during the land dispute is quite the coincidence.
So they're saying this is not about the land dispute at all, but instead about cutting up supplies to these scammers?
It seems that saying we're trying to hurt criminals sounds a lot better than we are trying to wound your entire country so you will see who's boss and back down. It provides a better off-ramp when they want to negotiate this to a more peaceful place.
Got it. Okay. So how has Cambodia reacted and responded so far?
Both Thailand and Cambodia, you're looking at how people, the public, are responding. Things are getting pretty heated. There's this historical rivalry. It's not as intense as India-Pakistan, but it flares up every 10 years or so over these small pieces of land. Today, that beef plays out on the modern age on